Welcome to KK Solution. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I bet you didn't know how crucial pronunciation is in learning English. Learning English is like building a house. Grammar is the structure and vocabulary is the bricks. But what holds everything together? Pronunciation is the cement. Good pronunciation helps people understand you. When you speak clearly, you can communicate your ideas easily. This builds confidence in speaking. Clear pronunciation also makes you a better listener. You can understand native speakers more easily. This helps you learn new words faster. Good pronunciation makes learning English more enjoyable. Here are some daily tips to improve your pronunciation. Listen carefully. Pay attention to how native speakers pronounce words. You can watch English movies or listen to English songs. Record yourself. Speak English and record yourself. Listen to the recording and identify areas for improvement. Practice sounds. Focus on practicing individual sounds that are difficult for you. Use a mirror. Look in the mirror while you speak to observe your mouth movements. Be patient. Improving pronunciation takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged. The present continuous tense tells us about actions happening right now. We use it to talk about things we are doing at this very moment. To form the present continuous tense, we use the following structure: subject plus am, is, are, plus verb with ing. For example, I'm eating breakfast. She's reading a book. They are playing football. The present continuous has two main uses: actions happening now. We use it for actions happening at the moment of speaking. For example, I am talking to you on the phone. The birds are singing outside. Actions happening around now or in the near future. We use it for actions happening in the present period, but not necessarily at this exact second. For example, I'm studying English this month. She is working on a new project at work. Hey there! Welcome to Section 5, asking questions and saying no in the present continuous. So, to form questions in the present continuous tense, we use the following structure: am, is, or are plus the subject, and then the verb ending in ing. For example, you might ask, are you watching television? Or, is she cooking dinner? And another one could be, are they coming to the party? Now, to form negative sentences in the present continuous tense, we just add not after the auxiliary verb, which is am, is, or are. For instance, you would say, I am not eating lunch right now, or he is not working today, and they are not coming to the cinema with us. Simple, right? Alright, let's move on to Section 6. When to use the present continuous in different situations. Here are some common scenarios where we use this tense. First, describing actions in progress. The children are playing in the park. Next, talking about temporary situations. I am living in London for a few months. Then expressing future plans. We are going to the beach tomorrow. Also, talking about changing situations. The weather is getting colder. And finally, expressing annoyance with always. He is always interrupting me. So there you have it. Different situations where the present continuous tense comes in handy. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Section 7. Speaking practice, combining pronunciation and grammar. Now, let's practice both pronunciation and the present continuous tense. First, choose a sound. Pick a sound that you find difficult to pronounce, for example, the th sound. Next, make sentences. Create sentences in the present continuous tense using words that contain the th sound. For example, I'm thinking about my weekend plans, or he's throwing a ball to his dog. Then record and listen. Record yourself saying the sentences. Listen carefully to your pronunciation of the sound. Finally, repeat. Repeat the sentences several times, focusing on making the sound correctly. Section 8. Test yourself. Fun exercises with the present continuous. Let's test your understanding with these exercises. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. She danced to her favorite song. We not study English today. He cook dinner right now. Exercise 2. Match the sentences. Column A, they are going. Column B, a book about history. He is reading. Column B, to the cinema tomorrow. She is writing. Column B, a letter to her friend. Section 9. New words to learn. Expanding your vocabulary. Here are 5 new words to learn, along with example sentences using the present continuous tense. First, improve verb, to make something better. I'm improving my English skills. Second, enjoy verb, to find pleasure and satisfaction in something. We are enjoying the beautiful weather. Third, create verb, to make something new. She is creating a beautiful painting. Fourth, explore verb, to travel around a new place to learn about it. They are exploring the city on foot. And finally, imagine verb, to form a picture in your mind of something. I am imagining my dream vacation. Section 10. Keep practicing. The key to fluent English. Learning a language takes time and dedication. The key to fluency is consistent practice. Make time for English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Listen, speak, read, and write in English as much as you can. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goal of speaking English fluently. Remember to like and share this video.